Okay, so you saw in the pictures, this is the main gas valve, and this is for the pilot. And I actually had the pilot, but it was ready to break. So I have a 9-volt battery. This is ground, say it's attached to the body of the valve. And now I've got, see, got a good solenoid. I had nothing here. This was the gas valve. And I'm going to put it together and I'm going to have hot water. I did take this apart. I looked at it with the microscope. There's nothing wrong with this, but it didn't hurt to try. Okay, now the test. See, there the flame just went. You could see the blue flame in there. That's my pilot. And as soon as we get a status light, which we should, I can release the flame, or release the pilot and go to the flame. Oh man, check that out. That is awesome. I got a status light every time, okay, my pilot stays lit. Oh mama. We have hot water for free. Just remember, if someone took it apart, if someone put it together, you can take it apart and you can fix it.